In this video, I am going to explain similarities and differences between flip-flop and latch. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Open box education. Flip-flop is a bistable device, that is, it has two stable states that are represented as 0 or 1. Whereas, latch is also a bistable device, whose states are also represented as 0 or 1. Flip-flop checks the inputs, but changes the output only at times defined by the clock signal or any other control signal. Whereas in latch, checks the inputs continuously and responds to the changes in inputs immediately. Flip-flop is a edge-triggered device, whereas latch is a level-triggered device. Flip-flops are classified into asynchronous or synchronous circuits, whereas for latches, there is no classification. In flip-flops, gates like NOR, NOT, and NAND are the building blocks. Latches are also made up of gates. Flip-flops forms the building blocks of many sequential circuits, like counters. Latches are also used for the designing of sequential circuits, but are not generally preferred.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Open Box Education.